Hi everyone, this is Kai from RC. Today I will show you how to record skin using Capcut. Let's get started. Recently, one of my subscriber asked me how to use the Capcut to record his desktop skin. My friend, my simple answer is no. There is no inbuilt feature in Capcut which allow you to record your skin. Alternatively, there are many free options like OBS Studio for PC and QuickTime for Mac OS using this software, which are free. You can record your skin once your video is recorded. You can import that video into your CapCut desktop software. Thanks for watching.